All right, guys. We are back. Apologies for that. My streaming software just crashed. Okay, so I had to restart the machine and do a little bit of settings. But we are back. Okay, we are back, and we were on this question where to find the value of log base 327 plus log base 416 minus log base 864. And then we have our possible answers to be A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 3, and then D is equal to 2. So this was the question that we were working on before my streaming software decided to disgrace me a little. Okay, but we are back right now. Okay, so anyone to give us the answer to this problem? Guys, anyone? Find the value of log base 327 plus log base 416 minus log base 864. So guys, what do we have for me? All right, so let's look at the solution to this problem all together. Whilst we wait for our regular viewers to join. Hopefully they didn't feel like I ended the stream earlier than usual. Okay, so let's pick a different color and then we solve this problem. Are we okay? So here we have a solution. I have here log base 327 plus log base 416 minus log base 864. So the first thing I'll do over here is that I will try to express the numbers in terms of their base. Are we okay? By that, I mean the 27, I need to express it like 3 raised to the power something for me to get that value. So that is what I am going to do. So let's continue. So from here, I have here 27 is 3 raised to the power 3. So I have here, this will be log base 3, then 3 raised to the power 3. That's for the 27. Plus, this will be log base 4, then 4 squared. Okay. Then this will be minus log base 8. Here, because it is 8, we'll have 8 squared over here. Are we okay? So from here, I'll rewrite this. All the powers will come in front of the log. So I now have 3 log base 3 plus 2 log base 4 minus 2 log base 8. Are we okay? Like I said, any number log that has a number and the base being equal, it is equal to 1. Are we okay? That is one of the properties of logarithm. So it means that here we'll have 3. Log base 3 will be 1. So we'll have 1 in bracket. Plus, then I have the 2 outside bracket here. Log base 4 will also be 1. So I have that 1 over here. Then minus 2 into bracket. Here log base 8 will also be 1. So therefore, VS, please, you are welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Let's solve this problem. So here we have 3 plus 2 minus 2. This will cancel this. So our answer here is 3, and that is option C over here. All right. So now that we have that, let's move on to see other questions that we have for today. All right, so the next question we have is maths is not hard if you understand the formulas and you know the formulas. It is not that hard. Are you okay? It's just practice. Okay, so here we have if log base 2 into bracket 3x plus y is equal to 1, and log base 2 x over y is equal to negative 2, you have to find the values of x and y. Are we okay? So over here we have here option A, x is equal to 8 over 3, y is equal to negative 2 over 3. Then option B, we have x is equal to 2 over 7, y is equal to 8 over 7. Then we have option C, x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to 8. And then option D, s is equal to 1, and then y is equal to 4. Okay, so guys, this is the question that we have. Let's give it a try. So we have 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's find the values of x and y. Okay, anyone with an answer for me? All right, so Damir Suleiman, is it Suleiman or Suleiman? Hello, thanks for joining. So please, what is your answer? Vayes is also, can you explain this? Okay, so you guys want us to solve it together, right? You want us to solve it together. That is what you were asking for. So we'll do it together. We will do it together. Okay, so this is a logarithm question. Just a minute. Okay, so this is a logarithm question. So I will explain how we are going to solve it for you guys to be able to understand. So I'll do that on a different sheet. So let me use a different color. Okay, so in the question we have let me go back. We have log base 2, 3x plus 1 plus y is equal to 1. So that is let me see. All right. So this is what we have. We have log base 2, 3x plus y is equal to 1. And we have log base 2, x over y is equal to negative 2. Are we okay? Now, guys, how we solve this problem is that if we look at this particular first expression, we need to simplify it. And then we look at the second one, we also simplify it. And then together we solve them simultaneously to get our answer. So that is what we are going to do. So over here, one of the laws of indices is that if I have log to a certain base and it's equal to a number, the base can now go and raise the number as its power, and then the log will be getting rid of. So from here, this will be equal to, or this is we'll have the 3x plus y here, 3x plus y over here, and this will be equal to the base, which is the 2 over here, will come here and raise to the power 1. So this will become 2 raised to the power 1. So from here we have 3x plus y is equal to 2. And then if I want to make y the subject here, y will be equal to 2 minus 3x. So this becomes my equation 1. Okay, we do system. Okay. Now, if I look at this second expression, I'm going to do the exact same thing to it over here. The base here will go and carry this as the power. So I will have here, provided this is negative 2. Let me make sure, okay, it is negative 2. All right, so this will be equal to x over y, and that will be equal to 2 raised to the power negative 2. Okay, and this will be x over y is equal to 4 raised to the power negative 1. Are you okay? And it's basically x over y is equal to 1 over 4. So here, y will be equal to 4x because we are cross multiplying. Are we okay? So now that we have this as equation 2, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So we will equate, okay, equation 1 to equation 2. So it means that this will now be, this is y is equal to 4x. So in place of the y over here, we'll place 4x there. So this will be 4x is equal to 2 minus 3x. Are we okay? So if I bring the 3x over here, I'll have 4x plus 3x is equal to 2. So 7x is equal to 2. So therefore, my x is equal to 2 over 7. Are we okay? So now that I have my value for x, if I substitute it into equation 2, what I'll get is y will now be equal to 4 multiplied by 2 over 7. And this will give me 8 over 7. So the value, yeah, Colina, hi, welcome back. Sorry, my streaming software did something on me. it got broke down. It broke down, so I had to restart all over again. But thanks so much for joining. So yeah, so the value of x here is 2 over 7, and then y is 8 over 7. So let's look at the possible options to see which of them is the correct answer. So we have x is equal to 2 over 7 and y is equal to 8 over 7, and that is option B. So therefore option B is the correct answer. Are we okay? So option B, this is the correct answer for this particular problem. Are we okay? All right, let's proceed. Like I said, this is the solution to that particular problem. Now let's have a look at another question. So I have a very interesting question here. I have if log base 10. Yeah, so I'll give one example for you. So if log base 10, 100 raised to the power x plus log base 10, 1 over 10 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 0, where x is greater than 0, solve for x. Solve for x. So we have possible options here. Option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 3, and then obviously option 4 or option D is 4. Yes, please try. Suleiman, please try your hands on it. Colina, please also try your hand on it. Please, let's show some love. Let's like the stream, and let's look at this problem. Okay, this is very simple. It's very simple. Once you know the laws of indices and you know how to maneuver your ways around indices and logarithm, you are good to go. So now if you are watching the stream and you don't know how to solve these questions, we have a lot of video tutorials explaining logarithm on the main channel. So just click on my science tutorial. You can see at the top of your screen. Just click on my science tutorial. Go to the our page. Go to our playlist and look for mathematics playlist or logarithm. If you don't find logarithm, you'll find mathematics. Just go through. You'll find videos on logarithm, and then you try your hands on them. Okay, but Colina and Suleiman, please, what do you have for me? So Suleiman is saying it's hard for me. Okay. Okay. Nalawade, I hope I'm mentioning your name right. So Nalawade, thanks for joining. And Nalawade is saying option A. All right. She's saying option A. Let's see if that is correct. Okay. I never got the first explanation. Okay. Colina, so we are going to do it together. So let's look at the solution to this problem. Now, Colina, what happens is that in logarithm, Colina and Suleiman, please pay attention. In logarithm, right? For example, let's say I have, let's say log base A, and then this is the actual number B. Are you okay? And this is equal to C. Now, to get rid of the log over here, you use the power here, the base over here, to come and carry the C as the power. So this will become B is equal to the A, which is the base, now raised to the power C. Okay, so this is one of the laws of logarithm. Now, another one is when you have, let's say, log base A, B raised to the power, let's say C. Are you okay? You can rewrite this as the C, which is the power, will now come in front of the log. Okay, so you now have C log base A, B. The same way, if you have C log base A, B, you can send the C to become the power of the B. Are we okay? Now, with these two explanations, let's look at the solution to this particular problem. So I'll rewrite the question over here and then we'll solve it together. I'll take my time and do the explanation so that we all get it. So we have here log base 10, 100 raised to the power x plus log base 10 into bracket 1 over 10 power x plus 1, and this is equal to 0. Are you okay? So Vishal, hi and welcome. So to solve this problem, like I said, the first log base 100x, base 10 100x, the x over here will come in front of the log first. So what we'll do is that this will become x log base 10 100, okay? Then plus the power over here will also come in front of the log over here. Are we okay? Or before we even do that, to be on the safer side, we can either do that first, or there's another thing we can do over here. We can write this as log base 10. Are you okay? Then in the bracket over here, we'll have 10 raised to the power negative 1. Are we okay? Then x plus 1. Are we okay? Yes, so Vishal is saying x is 1. So yes, it's true. X is 1. But let's look at the solution all together. Are we okay? That is what we are doing. We are looking at. We are solving the problem all together. All right. So from here, this is equal to 0. And then what we'll do that is that from here, I'll still maintain this part, log base 10, 100 over here, plus here, the negative will multiply what we have at the top over here. So this will become log base 10, 10, then power negative x minus 1. The negative 1 will multiply everything at the top over there, and this is equal to 0. So now I can bring that power in front of it now. So I'll have log x log base 10. Okay. Then here, the 100 over here, we will write 10 squared. Are we okay? Then plus, here will be, sorry, I'll have here what I have in the as the power over here. So this will become plus minus x minus 1, then log base 10 over here. Are you okay? Then from here to the 2 over here, I will send it to come and multiply the x I have over here. So it will become 2x log base 10 plus minus x minus 1 log base 10. Don't forget these are all equal to 0. So from here, any log, if you have log base a, it is equal to 1. So log base 10 here is equal to 1. Log base 10 here is equal to 1. What it means is that from here, I will have 2x. The log base 10 becomes 1. Then plus minus x minus 1. The log base 10 here is also 1. So multiply by 1, and this is equal to 0. So from here, I will have here 2x minus x minus 1, and this is equal to 0. Are we okay? So 2x minus x will give me x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 1 as my answer. So therefore, the answer for this particular problem is x is equal to 1. Please, Suleiman and Colina, I hope you understood how we got here. And it make a little bit of sense to you. Okay, so Suleiman has acknowledged. Thank you so much. Like I said, you need to practice a little bit on logarithm, and you should be able to answer these questions easily. Are we okay? All right, let's have a look at another question. Let's have a look at another question. So here we have given that log base 5 x plus 2 plus log base 5 x minus 2 is equal to 1. Find x. So we have here our possible options. A is 3, B is 4, C is 5, and then D is 6. So this is the question that we have. Given that log base 5 x plus 2 plus log base 5 x minus 2 is equal to 1, we have to find the value of x. Guys, anyone with the answer for me? Okay, so Krishna is saying root 5. Okay, I'm sure you are trying to say 5 because root 5 is not part of the possible options I have over here. So I'll take that as 5. Okay. So Suleiman is saying plus or minus 3. Okay, so which is probably option A. Okay, anyone else? So Vishal is saying it will be 5 power 1 over 2. Oh, okay. So how come we are getting different? Okay, so guys, so we have Krishna is saying root 5. Damir is saying n is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay. And then Vishal is saying it will be 5 power 1/2. I don't know. Let's look at it. And these are the possible options that I have given. But let's look at it. So for this particular problem, what we will do here is that we have our solution. So right from the beginning, we have log base 5 x plus 2 plus log base 5 x minus 2, and this is equal to 1. Okay, so now that we have this, in logarithm, when you have log the same base and they are adding, okay, it means you multiply. Are we okay? It means they are multiplying. So all this, I can rewrite it as log base 5 x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2, and this is equal to 1. Now, to get rid of the log base 5 over here, the 5 here will come and carry the power, the 1 as its power. So we'll have here x plus 2 x minus 2 is equal to 5 raised to the power 1. And so from here we have here, let me expand this bracket. So I'll bring x outside first. So I have x into bracket x minus 2, then plus 2 into bracket x minus 2, and this is equal to 5. Okay, so Vishal is saying yes, the answer is 3. Okay, so he made a little bit of a little mistake. Okay, let's look at it now. So x multiplied by x will give us s squared. X multiplied by negative 2, this will give us negative 2x. Then 2 multiplied by x will give us positive 2x. 2 multiplied by negative 2 will give us negative 4, and this is equal to 5. So from here, these two will cancel each other out. So we have s squared minus 4 is equal to 5. So this is s squared is equal to 5 plus 4. So s squared is equal to 9. So when we take the root of 9, we are going to get s is equal to plus or minus 3. Are we okay? And in this case, x will be equal to just 3. Are we okay? So the possible answer over here is 3. And that is option A. And that is the correct answer. So Vishal has gotten it correct. Suleiman has also gotten it correct. And Krishna, please, this is the solution to the problem. So I believe you also understood how come we got the 3 from here. Guys, can I proceed? Okay, let's look at a very simple one, so that we all get it. So we have if log base x 121 is equal to 2, find the value of x. Find the value of x. We have a to be 11, b is 10, c is 3, and then d is 2. Okay, so guys, this is the problem that we have. Who has an answer for me? Okay, so Vishal is saying 11. Okay. Anyone else? Colina, it seems today you are not with us. Guys, anyone else? Suleiman, do you have anything for me? Now, this is fairly easy. This is fairly easy. Fairly easy. All right, so let's have a look at the solution together. So let me use this. Suleiman said I can't remember. Okay, fine, we'll solve it together. So we have here log x 121 is equal to 2. Like I said, okay, so Colina is here, but she's just not familiar with the topic. Oh, okay. So Colina, like I said, I have a video tutorial on logarithm explaining what logarithm is. It's on the channel. So after here, if you are interested, you can still go ahead and go and watch the video. It's on the main channel. Are you okay? Or we can have a session where I teach logarithm before we solve the problems. Are we okay? All right. But for now, like I said, when we have, let's say, log base a x and it's equal to, let's say, b, to get rid of the log over here, we'll use the x to raise the b as a power. So this becomes a is equal to x raised to the power b. So from here, we have this, the x will now raise this as power. So we'll have the 121 here, and this will be equal to x raised to the power 2. Now, which number raised to the power 2 will give you 121? Are you okay? Which number squared will give you 121? And obviously, the only number here is 11. So 11 squared is equal to x squared over here. Okay? So because the squares are the same, it means x is equal to what? 11. Are we okay? So yes, so Vishal is saying it's easy. It's 11 squared, which comes ahead of log. That will be equal to 2. From there, we get the value of x. Yes, I agree. Right? I agree. So you can do it this way as well, and then you get your answer. Are we okay? All right. So I have another question for us. So we have here, if 1/2 log x minus 2 is equal to log 7, find the value of x. Find the value of x. So I have here option A is 51, option B is 49, option C is 47, option D is 5.5. So this is the next question that I have. What do we have for me? Okay, so Suleiman has 51. Okay. Vishal, what do you have for me? Vishal, what do you have for me? Okay, Vishal also has 51. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. Colina also has 51. Now this is amazing. This is amazing. Okay. So let's look at the solution to this problem. Fairly easy. So for this particular problem, we have half log base x minus 2, and this is equal to log base 7. So like I said, when we have a number in front of the log, you send it to become the power of the number itself. So this is log x minus 2 raised to the power half, and this is equal to log 7. Are we okay? Now we can rewrite this as log root x minus 2 is equal to log 7. So from here we take antilog of both sides. So when we take the antilog, the logs will be gotten rid of. So we'll have root x minus 2, and this will be equal to 7. Are we okay? So to get rid of the root, we square both sides. And if we do that, we'll have x minus 2 here, and this is equal to 7 squared. That will give us 49. Are we okay? So we have here x is equal to 49 plus 2. So therefore, x is equal to 51. And the correct answer here is option A. And you guys all got it right. Thank you so much. All right, let's look at another one. So we have here, find the value of x in the equations log base x y is equal to 3 and xy is equal to 16. Okay, so this is the problem we have. Option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 3, and then option D is 4. So guys, this is the next question that I have for us. Let's try our hands on it. Okay, so Vishal is saying 2. Okay. Suleiman and Colina, can you guys solve this, or we should look at it together? Colina is saying 4. Okay. Let's see. Suleiman is saying 4th root of 2. I suppose that is what you are writing. So what is the 4th root of 16? Yes, just give that. Okay, so Vishal is explaining in the comments, but let's look at the solution all together. Okay, so from here, I'll write down my solution. So the first thing I have here is log base x y is equal to 3, right? Now this I can easily get rid of the log by sending the x to raise this as the power. So I'll have y is equal to x cubed as an expression over here. So let me make this equation 1. Now if I look at this, I have xy is equal to 16. And I have here y is equal to x cubed. So here in place of y, I will put x cubed here, and this is equal to 16. So x power 4 is equal to 16. So if we take the 4th root of both sides, this will cancel this. So x will be equal to, this is like you writing 4th root of 2 raised to the power 4, and 2 raised to the power 4 is indeed 16. So this will cancel this. So our x will now be equal to just 2. So the correct answer here is option B. Okay, and I think Vishal is doing justice to that in the live chat. So he's saying from first we get, yes, Suleiman, your answer was right, but you didn't break it down. Are you okay? So yes, it's supposed to be 2. So like I was saying, Vishal was explaining. So first we get y is equal to x cubed, yes, and we put it on the second equation exactly, and we get the value of x from there exactly. So Suleiman is right because the value of the expression is also 2. Yes, I agree. So he's right, just that he hasn't broken it down. Okay, so in the exam he might be confused and go for this, but if he has broken it down, he'll have certainly known that the answer is just 2. Yes, Colina, I'm glad you are learning. Are you okay? I hope you are not writing I'm leaving and you are learning. All right. I'm glad you are learning. All right, let's proceed to look at a few more questions before we end the stream for the day. Okay. So here we have, given that log base 10 y is equal to, log base 10 y plus 2 log base 10 x is equal to 3. You are to express y in terms of x. What it basically means is that make y the subject. That is what we mean when we say make y, express y in terms of x. It means make y the subject. So we have here the possible options: A, y is equal to 3 minus 2x. B, we have y is equal to 3 over 2x. Option C, we have y is equal to 500 over x. And then option D, we have y is equal to 1,000 over x squared. Are we okay? So these are the possible options we have for this particular questions. Let's give it a try. Okay, so we have Suya, okay, or Aryaman. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Aryaman. Aryaman is saying D. Okay. Suleiman, Colina, and Vishal, what do you have for me? Aryaman is saying D. He has already gotten his answer. So what do we have for me? Uh, Suleiman, are you getting 10 raised to the power 10 cubed over x squared? Is it option D that you are also getting? Okay, Vishal is saying y is equal to D, so it's option D. Okay. Ayaman is saying 2 will go power and then add the formula. Okay. All right. So let's look at the solution to the problem. This is what we have. We have log base 10y plus 2 log base 10x is equal to 3. So here what we do, okay, Colina is also saying D, Suleiman is also saying D, everybody is saying D. So yes, let's look at the answer. So here we will maintain this log base 10y. Then this will be plus, this will become log base 10x squared, and this will be equal to 3. Now, when you have two logarithms with the same base and they are adding, you multiply them. So this will become log base 10, but here will become y multiplied by x squared, and this will be equal to 3. Are we okay? So to get rid of the log sign, the 10 will raise this to the power. So we'll have here s squared y is equal to 10 cube. Are we okay? So to have y as the subject, we divide both sides by x squared. This will cancel this. So our y will now be equal to 10 cube over x squared, which is just the same as 1000 over x squared as our answer. Yes, so the correct answer is option D, as you rightly said. Yeah, and Suleiman, yes, I got you when you said 10 cube minus s squared. I figured you were making the minus division. Are you okay? So I got it. Yes. So and your answer was right. Are you okay? It's option D. Option D is the correct answer. Very good. So you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You are getting the expressions right. Everything. So now we are to express 3 log base 10x minus 1 over 2 log base 10y plus 1 as a single logarithm. Are you okay? So this is the question that we have. Option A, we have log base 10x cubed over the root of y. Option B, we have log base 10 into brackets 10x cubed root y. Then option C, we have log base 10 s cubed the root of y. Then option D, we have log base 10 x cubed over root of y. All right, so this is the question, and Vishal already has our answer for us. He is saying it is option A. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? Vishal is saying option A. Anyone else? Suleiman is saying option B. Okay. Okay. Ironman is saying option A. Okay, so we have 2 option A's and 1 option B. Colina, are you with us? Okay, so let's look at the solution to this problem. So let me rewrite it on the new canvas. So we have here 3 log base 10x minus half log base 10y plus 1. Are we okay? Colina is also saying option A. All right, very good. So here we can express this as log base 10x cubed minus log base y log base 10. Let me erase this. So this will be log base 10 y raised to the power half plus. Now when you have 1, like I said, any log to the base and then the number being equal is 1. So because we have log 10 here, this can be expressed as log base 10 for the 1 over there. Are you okay? So here we will have log base 10 x cube minus log base 10 the root of y plus log base 10 10. Are we okay? Now if we have two logarithm and they are multiplying, sorry, they are adding, we divide. So here I can say this is equal to log base 10 between the x cube and then this, because it is minus log base 10 root y, this will become x cube over root y, then plus log base 10 10. Okay, because we still have log, we'll just maintain one of the logs, so we have log base 10. Then this will now become 10 multiplied by everything over here, 10, because they are adding, so 10 multiplied by x cube over the root of y, and that will give us log base 10 10x cube over the root of y. And if we look at the possible options that we have, it is option A that will give us that answer. So yes, option A is the correct answer, and you guys are all right. So Vishal is saying positive signs value will get multiplied and negative sign value will get divided. I agree. So we can do this because the base are the same for all expressions. I agree. I agree. All right, let's proceed to look at one or two more examples before we end the stream because it's already very late. Right, so we have if log x minus 8 is equal to 1 minus log x plus 1, find the value, find the possible value, value of x. So we have option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 6, option D is 9. So guys, this is the next question that we have, and let's give it a try. After that, we look at one final question and then we end for today. Guys, any answer for me? Is this question that difficult? Suleiman, Vishal, Colina, Ironman. Okay, Colina is saying A. Okay. No, we are not using discriminant. It is purely logarithm. Purely logarithm. Purely logarithm. Vishal is saying I should wait. Okay. So yes, if you want me to rewrite, this is log 8 x minus 8. Let me rewrite it well. log x minus 8 is equal to 1 minus log x plus 1? This is the question. So we will not use discriminant or anything like that. Just solve as a logarithm. So I'm waiting for Vishal. Colina has concluded that her answer is option A. Okay. Vishal is saying it's 9, which is option D. Okay. So Suleiman, are you also on it, or we can proceed to look at the solution now? So Suleiman is saying x squared minus 7x minus 9 is equal to 0. Solve it. Suleiman, solve it. Solve it and give me the value of x. Okay. So let's look at the solution to the problem. So I have what was the question again? I need to grab that question again. It is log x minus 8. So I have here log x minus 8 is equal to 1 minus log x plus 1. Okay, so 1 minus log x plus 1. Okay, so so what I'll do here is that I'll bring the negative to the other side, so it becomes log x minus 8 plus log x plus 1, and this is equal to the 1. I move the negative log x plus 1 to the other side of the equal to sign. So from here, we have addition between two logarithms. So we have log, then they will multiply each other. So we have x minus 8, x plus 1, and this is equal to 1 over here. Now, when you are given a log, okay, let's say log a without a base, automatically the base is 10. Okay, log is always in base 10 unless given otherwise. Log is always in base 10 unless given otherwise. So over here it is 10. So the 10 will now go and raise the 1 as a power. So we'll have x minus 8, x plus 1, and this will be equal to 10 raised to the power 1, which is still 10. So we'll now expand this bracket. So we have outside bracket, x outside bracket, x plus 1, then minus 8x plus 1, and this is equal to 10. From here, I can expand my bracket. So I have here x squared plus x minus 8x minus 8 here, and this is equal to 10. So from there, I'll have x squared. So x minus 8x will give me minus 7x. And then here I have here minus 8, and this is equal to 10. So I'll bring the 10 to this side of the equal to sign. So I'll have here x squared minus 7x minus 8 minus 10, and this is equal to 0. So I have x squared minus 7x minus 8. This will become minus 18 is equal to 0. Guys, I hope you are getting it up until this point. So this is the quadratic equation here. We have x squared minus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0. So 1 multiplied by negative 18 will give us negative 18. And so two values that when we multiply, we'll get negative 18, but when we add, we'll get negative 7. And that will be negative 9 and positive 2. So we have here x squared minus 9x plus 2x minus 18 is equal to 0. So we factor out x here. So we have x minus 9 here. Then here plus 2 outside bracket x minus 9, and this is equal to 0. So we will then have x plus 2 here, x minus 9 here, and this is equal to 0. So when we equate all of them to the equal to 0, x will be equal to -2 and x will be equal to 9. Okay, so these are the two possible values for x, and in this case x has to, in logarithm it's always positive, so x has to be a positive value. So this will be, this is going to be x is equal to 9 as our possible answer. So here our correct answer here is x is equal to 9. Okay, yeah, so like Vishal is saying, the factors are -2 and 9, and then we will take 9 as the answer exactly. So yes, that is the correct answer. Suleiman is saying my mistake was that I didn't take the logarithm of 1. Oh, okay. Yes, if you maintain the 1 there as 1, you may have problem solving this. So you have to express the 1 as log base 10 10, or you use the method I use over here. Okay, so all right, so either you use what I did over here, or you express this over here as log base 10 base 10. Are you okay? So if you do it like this, then from here we'll just say we take anti-log. So if you take anti-log, the log will cancel and here will only be left with 10. Are you okay? So Colina is saying, yeah, I have found it. I also use quadratic function. Very good, very good. Thank you so much for doing that. So guys, let's have a look at one final question for today. One final question for today. A final one, and then we'll bring the stream to an end. Okay, so Vishal is saying we can also use our simple mind by checking the value of log, putting the options into the equation, because value can be negative in expression. The suitable value is 9. Yeah, so if this is an objective question in an exam, you can just use your calculator, quick, and then you go. But in this case, we are solving it as if it was a subjective question. Are we okay? Now let's proceed to look at the last question. Okay, let me give you a very interesting question as the last question for today, and then we will end the stream. So we have here, if log base 10 into bracket 3x minus 1 plus log base 10 4 is equal to log base 10 9x plus 2, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Let me see if I got a question right. Log base 10 3x minus 1 plus log base 10 4 is equal to log base 10 9x plus 2. Very good. So our possible options are a, x is equal to 1, b, x is equal to 2, c, x is obviously equal to 3, and then d, x is equal to 4. All right, guys, final question for the day. Let's give it a go. Now, okay, Suleiman is saying 2. Okay. Suleiman is saying math is a universal language. Yes, it's true. It's true. It's the same across the globe. Vishal is saying 2. Okay. I'm waiting for Kulina. Seems Ayaman has left us, so I'm waiting for Colina. Colina, what do you have for me? Okay. Vishal has the energy. He still wants one more question, which is hard. Yes, I'm here for you guys. So if you guys want us to continue, we'll continue. But this one, for this particular question, Colina, what do you have for me? This one, you just take antilog of both sides, and then you have 3x minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 9x plus 2. You just solve straight from there. So I'll give Colina 1 more minute. After that, okay, so Colina has also found 2, and let's see, 31. And yes, the correct answer is 2, right? So in this case, I will not solve because we all found 2 to be the answer. Okay, so let's look at another question. I'm trying to find a very complicated one. I'm trying to find a very complicated question for you guys. Oh, very good. Very good. I found one. So I have here, if 5 minus, then I have log into bracket 2n plus 1 raised to the power 1 over 3 n plus 1 all over log 2n plus 1 squared is equal to 0. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. So I have here option A is 4, B is 27, C is 29, and then D is 36. Now this is a very interesting question. It looks very big. So let's look at it. So guys, there we go. Vishal is seriously solving. Colina is seriously solving. Suleiman is sweating. Okay. Oh, everyone is sweating. 24 Cheyenne. Hi, 24 Cheyenne. Welcome. We have one last question on the board. Please give it a try. Give it a try. Whoa, 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 whoa. Vishal is saying that he has gotten 27, which is option B. Okay. Let's look at the others. What Colina has for me, what Suleiman has for me. So Colina has 4, which is option A. Okay. Suleiman, what do you have for me? Very good. I'll give you 1 minute. No problem. No problem. No problem. Colina, please have a look at your question again. Please have a look at your question again. Because the value of n is not 4. Okay, so we have Munaf. Munaf is saying 27. Okay. Okay. So we have 2 people, Vishal and Munan, are saying 27. Colina said 4. I said that is not right. You should look at it again. Suleiman also has 27. Okay. So Colina, please, what are you getting now? Okay, so let's try to work on it whilst you try to solve it. All right, so I'll clean the possible options so we can just have the question here. Okay, so over here, the first thing I'll do is that I'll move the negative log, this whole ratio to the other side of the equal to sign, right? So I have 5 is equal to log 2n plus 1 raised to the power 1 over 3n plus 1 all over log 2n plus 1 squared. Are we okay? So I move it to the other side of the equal to sign. So this will now imply 5 is equal to, then the power will come in before the log. So I have here 1 over 3n plus 1 in brackets. Then we have log 2n plus 1 all over here. It will now be 2 log 2n plus 1. Okay, so the log 2n plus 1 will cancel this. So the expression we now have is 5 is equal to 1 over 3n plus 1 all divided by 2. So if we cross multiply, I'll get 1 over 3n plus 1. And this is equal to 5 multiplied by 2. That is going to give me 10. If I multiply through by 3 to get rid of the fraction, what I will get is n plus 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by this will give me 30. So n will be equal to 30 minus 3, and so therefore n is equal to 27. And yes, that is the correct answer. N is equal to 27. So guys, thank you so much for joining. Munaf, it's a little bit sad, but you joined a little bit late. You joined after an hour into the stream. So but I thank you so much for joining and contributing. Colina, you are one of my favorite students so far. You are always joining the stream. I really love you. I really appreciate you. Okay, so thank you so much. Suleiman, thanks for making it. I really appreciate you. The stream is every day. It's every day at 7 p.m. GMT. Okay, so Munaf, thank you. Colina, thank you. Suleiman, thank you. And then Vishal, thank you so much for joining the stream. I really had an enjoyable session. Okay, thank you guys so much. So it's at 9:20 p.m. at where I am right now, and I need to get ready to sleep because tomorrow I have job to do. But we'll come back and have our stream tomorrow, same time, 7 p.m. GMT. Are you guys okay? So we'll have our stream tomorrow, same time, 7 p.m. GMT. So guys, if you have any topic that you want us to discuss tomorrow, let me know in the live chat right now whilst we wait for the ending, right? So Vishal is saying, thank you so much, sir, for all this. I have a good time here. Oh, Vishal, thank you too. And you are welcome. You are welcome. And like I said, the stream is every day at 7 p.m. GMT from Mondays to Fridays. And on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, it is at 2 p.m. GMT. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, 7 p.m. GMT. Vishal, I want to see you. Colina, I know you will be here. Munaf, I want to see you. Suleiman, I want to see you. And yes, and all the other guys who joined, I want to see you guys as well. Yeah, Vishal, I know it's 2:55 at your end. You guys, you are 5.5 hours ahead of Ghanaian time. Yes, so yes, but guys, thank you so much. I have a beautiful set of oh, Suleiman, you are from Kazakhstan. So Suleiman, you are from Kazakhstan. We need to connect. So Suleiman, just wait a minute. So Suleiman, send me an email. Send me hi on an email. Are you okay? This is my email. My science tutorials at gmail.com. Okay. So Suleiman, send me an email on my science tutorial at gmail.com, and then I'll send you a link to a WhatsApp platform. Please, you need to join our WhatsApp platform. Okay. Colina as well, please send me an email at my science tutorial at gmail.com. I'll send you a WhatsApp group link. You need to be on that platform for me. So for Suleiman, you are from Kazakhstan. Yes, we need to get in touch. There's a reason why I say we need to get in touch. Okay, Suleiman, there's a reason why I'm saying we need to get in touch. Colina as well, we need to get in touch. Please send me hi with your name on email. I'll send you the link to the WhatsApp platform. Munaf as well, please send me hi. Vishal, I want you to be in my WhatsApp group, right? So anytime I'm streaming, you are aware. So please send me hi on email at mysciencetutorials@gmail.com. Okay, please copy the email, and when you are done, let me know. And then yeah. So at Colina's place, it's 11:22. So Colina is 2 hours ahead of me. Okay, that's interesting. We have a lot of interesting stuff happening today. So at Kazakhstan, it is 2 a.m. Okay, which means you guys are like, let me see, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. You guys are like 5 hours, 20. Averagely 5 hours ahead of Ghana, Kazakhstan as well. Okay, that is interesting. So Suleiman, I hope you've gotten the email. Colina, I know you've gotten the email. Vishal, if you're still here, I hope you've gotten the email. All right, so just send me an email at mysciencetutorials@gmail.com, and you and I will get to interact behind the scenes on a WhatsApp platform where I try to bring all students across the globe together. Are you okay? All right, so I have a series of good music for you guys to enjoy after the stream. So bye-bye. I'm expecting your emails, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Are you okay, better? Bye-bye, and then enjoy the music that is coming.
In the dark we rise, no escape tonight. Shadows call my name. Can you feel the flame? Blood on the stage, fire in my veins, dancing with the demons, I'm breaking all chains. Rumi in the light, Gino in the dark, crossing destinies, but we leaving a mark. Sin in my smile, chaos in my eyes, I'm the echo of truth, wrapped in beautiful lies. Chasing the crown that was never mine, but the Shadow Kingdom says you'll shine. Every heartbeat feels like thunder, can't escape, we're pulled under. Heaven's gates are closing now, still our eyes, I'll wear this crown. Shadow crown, oh, take me down, oh, sinner, wear the gown. Ruthless rhythm, heart of stone, but the stage is mine alone. Whisper, say you're cursed, you're blessed. Chains of fate across my chest. Run from love, it's too profound. In the dark, I wear my crown. Shadow, shadow, can't escape the shadow. Shadow, shadow, bow before the shadow. Rumi's tears fall like rain. Gino burns inside the pain. Hearts collide, but fate won't bend this forbidden love. The shadow crown, oh, take me down, oh. In the fire I'm reborn, I can't stop now. Idols fall, but I stand tall. Hear the call, my shadow crown. Lost in the dark, but I'm not.
Sweet breeze, love, wrap me gently, wrap me in the rhythm, so tenderly. On the palm tree shadows, we feel free. Jah bless this love eternally. Walk on the sun in the evening light. Cool breeze kiss my soul, stars twinkle bright. Your voice in my head like a lullaby, whispering love on the moonlit sky. You say baby hold me close, don't go. The sea I'm low while we take it slow. Heart beating soft like a reggae flow. Me know I'm weak from this glow. Sweet breeze love, rock me gently, wrap me in the rhythm, so tenderly. On the palm tree shadows, we feel free. Jah bless this love eternally. Me see a smile in a coconut shade. Sunlight paint your face like a sweet serenade. We not need much, just you and me. And the ocean humming in harmony. You say, stay here long till morning light. The moon still watching, holding tight. You laugh like rain on rooftop bright. Me heart said this feel right. Sweet breeze love, rock me gently, wrap me in the rhythm, so tenderly. On the palm tree shadows, we feel free. Jah bless this love eternally. Even when clouds roll in from the sea, me still feel safe when you're right with me. No storm can shake this melody. We love like waves endlessly. Sweet breeze love, carry we high on wings of peace in a twilight sky. No goodbye, no need to sigh. Just you and I till the tide run dry. Sweet breeze, love, wrap me gently, wrap me in the rhythm, so tenderly. On the palm tree shadows, we feel free. Jah bless this love eternally. Walk on the sun in the evening light. Cool breeze kiss my soul, stars twinkle bright. Your voice in my head like a lullaby, whispering love on the moonlit sky. You say baby hold me close, don't go. The sea I'm low while we take it slow. Heart beating soft like a reggae flow. Me know I'm weak from this glow. Sweet breeze love, rock me gently, see a smile in a coconut shade. Sunlight paint your face like a sweet serenade. We not need much, just you and me. And the ocean numbing in harmony. You say, stay here long till morning light. The moon still watching, holding tight. You laugh like rain on rooftop bright. My heart said this feel right. Sweet breeze love, rock me gently, rock me in the rhythm, so tenderly. On the palm tree shadows we feel free. Jah bless this love eternally. Even when clouds roll in from the sea, we still feel safe when you're right with me. No storm can shake this melody. We love like waves endlessly. Sweet breeze love, carry we high on wings of peace in a twilight sky. No goodbye, no need fee side. Just you and I till the tide run dry.
Yeah, yeah. Woo! Sage your boys on the track. Let's go. Pop it like a drop, a sweet explosion.
Step in the room, candy coated vibes. Sparkles in the air, we electrify. Drip like honey, golden on my tongue. We ain't slowing down, the party's just begun. Sip, sip, take a little taste. Heartbeats faster, no time to waste. Colors swirling, lights collide. We ride the sugar wave all night. Sugar rush, hey, popping like confetti, dancing crazy. Yeah, we're always ready. Turn it up, the beat won't stop. We're busy like soda. Pop, pop, pop. Sugar rush, taste the sweet reaction, melting hearts with every interaction. Feel the buzz, don't ever drop. We're sweet like candy. Pop, pop, pop.
Yo, check it. Said you're on a candy spree. Bubblegum dreams set the sugar free. Lollipop flavors, mix them all night. Cotton candy skies in the neon lights. Snap back, glow up, shine like a jewel. Boys too sweet, breaking every rule. Drip that caramel smooth and slick. With the sugar kings, better take your pick.
Sip, sip, take a little taste. Heartbeats faster, no time to waste. Colors swirling, lights collide. We ride the sugar wave all night. Sugar rush.